Miss Tablet!
Yes!
Miss Tablet!
Oi, me a come.
Morning.
Morning, darling. How you do?
I know, mom. We're good, mom.
You good? A long time in the sun, you know. Me I wonder what happened if you travel.
Why, you know, say I true Karen busy and then me busy too. But I just only come to check about it. I don't know if I can help you out.
What is it?
We did have one little something me and Karen to deal with, but we never really get we short for some money.
Oh, how much money you talk about?
The landlord, I rent the one place still, you know.
But me go work last night and me not really get so much money as you mean.
Me understand. Boy, the shop kind of slow, you know, but me can't help you. Tell me how much you need. You're a person, you always pay.
Yeah. How much money landlord you get? Because last week you said we paid last week already and then this week again.
Yeah, probably more 100 other day.
He said we do for December. And then we have January, we pay the first.
And then February.
Yeah.
So, how much money that?
How much money? 15,000.
15,000? Alright, but yeah, we can't burn it up. Well, yeah, what happened now? We have a little different rule we need to do because boy, I help out somebody there. You know, so the girl run with the money. Yeah, man, the girl gone foreign, man, run with my money. So, as somebody want me help all the time, and I never know should I do something like that, man. The girl run with the money, when me hear the girl gone foreign. And got my money.
Why not? You know, say me
know, say you're your wife now, do I know, say you're Karen with you. Because I don't come all the time, I know all this feel. But just a little security and stuff like that, I'd rather you sign this, you know what I mean? Because boy, my husband don't feel good about the idea. He might tell me to stop doing it, but I know some are good people. So we can't help you out. Just sign us up and just put the date on your phone. Pay it back. No problem.
Alright.
Sorry, just sign it. Yeah, right.
And then when you sign them, you put my signature down on the back. You say you want 15, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
But depends. You're not sharp. It's going to be alright.
I know some names spelling up.
You spell one name then, no?
No. We must say Shawn. Miss, I always spell Shawn again.
S-H-A-W-N, I think. Yeah, S-H-A-W-N, Shawn.
Right here. I say right.
So they must do it right in a school.
Everybody spell different still, you know?
Everything spelled different. So I spell my Karen with C.
Alright,
not
that's
with the K.
Not with the K. That's not a problem. Alright, so me just sign on the bottom and say, you know? Alright. Alright, that's that right. Okay.
Alright. Me as I say, yeah, we get it back by next week, man. Cause we have one little.
No problem, man. You always come and pay. No problem. But this girl, we never know she should have done something like this.
Next week.
Pay go be. Check it. See if it's right. 15.
Check. Cause the thing is, you know, we have something to deal with. Yeah.
Okay, that's not a problem. You know, say what?
Yeah, man. As me get the partner, man, we carry back home here.
Yeah, that's not a problem. Not a problem.
Alright.
You know, say what?
Alright.
And it's nice seeing you and Karen. A long time, you know, so we can travel, you know.
No, I know we know.
No, man, you know all Karen stay, so sometimes when he nip on him monthly, me have to be there with him a cook feed, man. That's the only time we get with her now, when time she's sick.
Oh.
Because I know
that
she was our front to her.
We know it though. You have to do what you have to do, you know?
Yeah.
Because the bills have to pay.
Yeah.
But here want no, me I beg you, don't make no husband.
No man, you know, so we not do that.
I'm really mad with me in terms of stop you because, you know, I'm not sure of it. 100,000 down with you know? Yeah, 100,000.
Alright, but thank you again, here.
You're welcome, dear.
Alright.
So I'm going to take care of yourself, here?
Alright.
Alright.